Hello, this is Colt the Armadillo. I am here to do a review on Ubuntu, the newer Linux for Windows. And no, this is not just a virtual screen program, and no, this does not require any partitioning. I am going to show you first that the program is legitimate and that this is not like just some crap, because it is actually a full operating system, since you can reach the App Store, not really App Store, but support or technology center for Linux from it, and it also launches from the Windows Boot Manager, so it's an actual program. But this, you do not need any you don't need any hard drive partitioning. You don't need any of that complicated stuff. So this is just for not dumb, but like beginners. So let's go to the start menu and just restart this just for you all to see. And I'm not going to be like a bunch of other people and play music over it and hope you can just watch and learn, because it's a lot easier to describe. I'm even going to install it on this computer to show you. It's actually a normal Windows application even. It acts like one. So if you don't like the operating system, all you need to do is delete it. Like, you don't have to go through any unpartitioning and all that. It's actually really simple. So now we're going to go down to Ubuntu. You're going to choose the generic Ubuntu, the top one, because I got mine updated once I installed it. And you will see this little thing for a while after you've installed it. But it won't take too long, depending on how long your computer's been on for, or how much RAM you have, or what your specs are, which I don't feel like describing my specs right now. We have Ubuntu loading. You hear that? There's my Justin the Almighty Justin account, because that's my name. None of you need to know my password because you can't really spell it anyway. Oh, what the heck did this just do? Sorry, my password thing messed up. So it'll take a few seconds of toggling. Sorry about this. There we go. And as you see, my sound for this works. And now it's all loaded up. Full operating system and all. Applications, accessories, games, graphics, which is just like designs and pictures and stuff, internet, office, which just uses open office, which even on Windows, it's like a free version of Microsoft Office. It's really nice. Sound and video, I got Linux Multimedia Studio and Mini too, which lets you watch YouTube videos from the Ubuntu Software Center, just because I'm into music making and I like YouTube. So I am gonna open up the internet just to show you how it works. And from the Software Center, you can also get themes that customize your computer and all that, and it's really nice to use. Oh, this just has my pages opened up from before. So as you see, that opened relatively fast compared to how some computers, how long it takes them to open Firefox. YouTube. I've had trouble trying to get the Flash to work. I'll try to mess with that another time, see if I can get a video on it. But for right now, as you can see, here are the bars. Here's the X button, the minimize button, and the full screen button. Let's just exit out of that. Why not save and quit? That'll help. Okay, so as you've seen the specs, just like all the stuff with the operating system, you'll have fun messing around. So right now, we are going to actually download it just to try it out. 'Cause I'm sure a lot of you will enjoy this. As you see, you get wooby.exe, which I know that's a funny name, but now let it run because it's from the actual Ubuntu site, ubuntu.com. So you do not have to worry about any viruses. And even though it says desktop edition, it also works for netbook too, because this is my netbook running the desktop edition. It's just the only difference about netbook edition is it has bigger icons and all that, but it's not really anything to worry about. Okay, so as you see, installation drive, I have 18 gigabytes free, which, yeah, this is a 5-year-old computer, that's why. 11, we'll just make 11 gigabytes, right? Why not? This is just for a sample. Username, that's my dad. We'll just change it to Justin. Let's make my password something simple. Okay, the language is US. Desktop environment, Ubuntu. You can get Ubuntu Netbook, Kubuntu, Xubuntu, and Mythbuntu, which I've never really tried those. I'm just sticking with Ubuntu. So we're going to install. It gets all the installation files, and it's also going to get a bunch of extra crap, like it needs to get a torrent. It gets a torrent from the website just so it can run. And yes, it may say AMD 64, but this is an Intel Atom processor, which is x86, 32-bit. So that still works like a charm, so don't let that intimidate you. And I'll be right back after this is done downloading.